In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the IFERROR function in Microsoft Excel. As the function name suggests, IFERROR function is used for handling the error values that may return while doing calculations. The type of error that you see in Excel are listed here. They are hashtag not applicable, hashtag div/0, hashtag value, and so on. To understand this, first, let me use a formula here. In this table, I have products and quantities sold information. I need to fill the sales quantity information here in this second table. For this, I will use the VLOOKUP function. Here, the sales quantity is displayed using VLOOKUP function. Let me drag the formula down for other products. Here you see, the error value is displayed in these two cells, because these two products does not exist in the source data table. To handle these errors, we will use the IFERROR. In this table, I have the sales quantity and rate. Let's calculate here the amount by multiplying rate with quantity. Here too, an error is displayed because some quantity has the text value. Let's handle the hashtag not applicable error of this VLOOKUP formula. Suppose, if you want to display the text product not found in place of these error values, you can combine the IFERROR function. Click on the cell. In the formula bar, after the equal to sign, insert the IFERROR function. Open parentheses. In the value parameter of IFERROR, this VLOOKUP formula will work. Click at the end of the formula. Put a comma. In this value IFERROR parameter, put the value that you want to display in case of error. Let's write here, product not found inside the double quotations. If your value IFERROR is text, use double quotations. If it is number, formula, or reference, do not use the double quotation. Close parentheses and hit enter. Drag the formula down. Here you see, the error values are replaced with product not found. If you want to display 0 in case of error, replace this product not found with 0. Here you see, 0 is displayed in place of error values. Similarly, in this table too, you can handle the error by combining the IFERROR. If you want to display quantity as text value in place of these errors, follow the same method. So, in this way, we can use the IFERROR function in Excel to handle the errors that we get while doing calculations. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. Subscribe this channel to get similar tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.